paying with Affirm at Walmart in store is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm gonna teach you how you guys can pay with Affirm at Walmart in store. So for you have to go to the Walmart, and in the Walmart you can easily select the products or items that you wanna buy. And after that, you have to go to the checkout section or checkout store. And in the checkout section to the checkout store, you can easily use the Affirm card to pay for your products or for the things that you bought. And now you can easily use the card to pay for anything that you bought. And you can also use an virtual gift card. Suppose you go to the market to buy anything, but you left your card at home and you only have the Affirm's app. So you just need to go to the Affirm's app. You need to get a virtual card. You can easily get the virtual card in the card section in the Affirm. The virtual card is same as credit or debit card, but the thing is it is virtual and it stays in your mobile phone or any other device. You just need to put the information of the virtual card, or you can easily scan the QR code as well by using your mobile phone's camera. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can use your Affirm to pay for your Walmart in-store products. Hope you guys find this video helpful.